Hello, my name is John Gray, and this short video is a chance for me to introduce myself to you, to help you put a face to the name, and to say a little bit more about the Supervision Skills training course. And perhaps to start with my take on supervision, which is that its primary purpose is about quality assurance, about standard setting and standard checking, through the medium of the professional development of the practitioner. So helping them look back on their practice, explore their questions, their reflections on how they are working with their clients, with a view to identifying opportunities for improvement or development, so that their own practice can be even more effective and remain safe within the boundaries of the profession that they are representing. So in a sense, the opportunity that the supervisor offers is their attention to create a safe space where, as somebody has once described it, the professional can come safely out of hiding, building that trust and rapport to enable the looking backwards in order to shape the working forwards. So through the course, there are two perhaps primary intentions on my part: to help you know more about the what of supervising, the kind of different interventions that we can make as a supervisor, so that you can structure and facilitate a session successfully towards the goal of the professional development of the person in front of you. And also more about the knowing why, how and when to choose between a range of interventions available to you, and making sure that you're there in service of the client and in service of their profession. So the course will cover the boundaries and intentions of supervision, an overarching framework that will help you structure sessions successfully and hold the boundaries of supervision compared to other helping professional roles. And we'll look at supervision from the supervisor's and the supervisee's perspective in terms of helping our clients come ready for supervision. And we'll do lots of skills work. And so on day 2, there is an invitation to bring something from your own practice on which it would be helpful for you to be supervised, so that we can work in practice groups where you'll have the opportunity to sit in all 3 chairs: supervisor, supervisee, and as an observer, offering feedback to the practicing supervisor. So that can be any issue from your practice as a supervisor, as a practitioner, as a manager, from any of the professional roles that you occupy, and on which it will be helpful to have space to reflect about your work. So it's great to see the range of experience and backgrounds from the people coming on the course. I'm sure that there'll be a great opportunity to learn from each other, as well as to see what there is for you in the inputs and experience that I will be bringing. So I'm really looking forward to working with you, to learning from you and with you, and look forward to welcoming you on the course.